Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly share a message from one messenger group to another friend or group, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple, updated steps to forward messages on messenger groups, so you can keep everyone in the loop without copying and pasting. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. You'll see all your recent conversations right on the home screen. Scroll through your chats and tap on the group where the message you want to forward is located. Once you're inside the group chat, find the specific message you want to forward. This could be a text, a photo, or even a link. When you've found it, press and hold your finger on that message. After a second, a menu will pop up with several options. From the menu, look for the option that says More and tap on it. This will open up a few more choices. Now, select Forward. Messenger will then show you a list of your contacts and groups. At this point, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find the person or group you want to forward the message to. Just type in the name, and when you see the right contact or group, tap on it to select. Finally, once you've chosen who you want to send the message to, look for the Send button on the screen and tap it. That's it. The message will be instantly forwarded, and the recipient will see it just like any other message. Forwarding messages on Messenger is a super handy way to share important information, funny memes, or exciting news without any hassle. Now you can keep your friends and groups updated with just a few taps. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.